Good everyone, today I am going to be making a review on this Redragon RGB keyboard. But before we start with the video, I would like to say that I spent a lot of time on this, so if you end up enjoying it, make sure to subscribe. And now, let's get into it. Right out of the bat, you can clearly see that it's a 10 keyless keyboard, and that basically means that the numpad is missing. And in my opinion, on my desk, a smaller keyboard not only makes my setup look a lot cleaner and better, but in general, I prefer this type of keyboard because, let's be honest here, smaller equals better, am I right? This keyboard uses aluminum blue switches, which aren't the best ones out there, but for the price they pay off, even though they're quite loud. I would say that if you're working from home or using your keyboard just for gaming, the clickiness doesn't really matter. But if you're working in an office, I wouldn't recommend you this keyboard because if I was your coworker, it would really bother me. One of the most important things is of course the RGB. In my opinion, the RGB is really excellent because of the fact it has 10 different modes which you can go through using the function and the insert key at the same time. Having 9 different colors makes the RGB completely worth it. You can change how bright it is using the function key and the up and down arrows, and if you have a moving mode, you can change how fast it is using the function key and left and right arrows. In my opinion, if your budget is around $40, this keyboard could be your best choice. The build quality is super nice and the RGB just makes your setup go from 0 to 10. But before the video ends, I'd like to thank you all for watching this vid. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel because I'm trying to reach 100 subs before the end of the year. So yeah, it will mean the world to me if you subscribe. And now, see you later.